The project name is Touchless Hand Sanitizer. It can be used in the schools for children so that all children get sanitized and stay away from corona. And this is a robot which is made to attract students so that they can use the sanitizer. Now how to connect it, let us see. On the back side there is a pump. This is a motor which will pump sanitizer placed in this bottle from pipe here. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to insert this pipe into this bottle, then place it here securely. It should have weight so that it doesn't fall forward. Once it is connected, there are two batteries used in the circuit. One is for the pumping and another is for the sensor circuit. There is a sensor here. This is an infrared sensor. Using this sensor, when you place your hand, the water will start coming out. So you have to place this container beneath the sensor and connect the battery. Okay, now it is connected. You can observe when it is connected, the light will be glowing inside. Now what you have to do is, the students have to come here and place their hand here. So you will get a sanitizer. You will clean it. Okay, like this. Again, when it is over, you have to remove this battery, turn it back, see that the water does not fall on it. Okay, then remove this, then remove the pipe and allow the water to flow outside so that it does not damage. Okay, wait for some time so that all the water inside will go out.